int. Abandoned city, night, the moon hangs low, rain falls, a group of cats stands on rooftops, eyes glowing. Narrator VO 4 years. The city was silent until instinct turned into war. Cut to DOGS marching through the streets, armored, led by a massive alpha dog. Alpha DOG, angry tonight, we take back the city. Rooftop close-up thecatleader.com and sharp-eyed steps forward. Cat leader, you had the ground, we had the shadows. Suddenly, explosion cats leap from rooftops. Dogs charge forward. Slow-motion fight sequence dogs, using raw power, cats using speed and strategy sparks. Claws, metal, Chaos Alpha Dog versus Cat Leader final duel, they circle each other. Alpha Dog strength decides everything. Cat Leader no, intelligence does. The cat triggers a trap. The ground collapses. Silence. Smoke clears. Both leaders stand exhausted. Cat leader, this war ends now. The alpha dog looks around his army retreating. Alpha begrudging respect tonight. The city chooses balance. Final shot, cats on rooftops, dogs on streets. The city breathes again. Text on screen. War proves power. Peace proves wisdom.